Hello and what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Miguel. You're watching Miguel EDC, the channel where we talk everything EDC gear here. And today we're checking out a knife from CMB Made Knives. This should be an interesting one. Just got this one in. I can't wait to share with you guys. We recently looked at the Braveman, and this has got to be such an elegant knife here. Classy lines, super elegant with the black titanium S35 VN blade on this one. Just really good looking knife. Crossbar lock, amazing action, really great ergos. Really love this one. So check out the unboxing overview on this one if you haven't already. And of course, this knife, this one here, and every other product knife you see in this video will be linked down below if you guys want to check it out. All right, of course, let's go ahead and get in here, see what this bad boy is all about. We got some CMB made stickers right there. That's what I'm talking about. Got the good old silica gel, bam. And then we have the CMB made nice little handout. All right, if you guys want to read through that, you're welcome to enjoy the 4K definition that we have in the channel right now. And here we go. We got a zipper pouch. This one's nice and stuffed. So let's see what this guy is all about. I believe this one's called the Explorer in micarta. So here we go. Bam. There is the knife. All right. We got another silica gel. We got the CMB made wiping cloth with the orange cushiony inside. But let's go ahead and focus on the knife here, the Explorer, right? We're going to explore what this knife is all about. And limb punts aside, here it is, ladies and gentlemen. We are checking it out here in the channel. I got some goodies going on already. I'm already seeing right off the bat. So first impressions, it is a crossbar lock, just like that. Braveman I just showed you, right? We have the blue micarta here, looking pretty nice. We have a deep pocket carry clip, not the deepest carry pocket clip, but the good news, it is reversible and even has a filler tab on the other side. That is the way to do a reversible pocket clip. Filler tab, boom, reversible. Lefties can enjoy it. After all, it is an ambidextrous style knife. Nice and contour micarta all around. All right, we have a micarta backspacer, it looks like, with your lanyard solution. Prow liners in here. And if you guys are ready, I'm ready. Here we go. Bam. Okay. Digging this blade shape already. This geometry is looking pretty good. 14C 28N steel on the blade there. I mean, is this going to be the newest bug out killer in the channel, right? That's looking pretty promising. Tell you that. Give her a nice little wipe there. Beautiful satin finish on a flat grind. It's looking pretty good. Looking pretty epic right there. Like CMB made nice. A little bit of a stretched out text. Doesn't necessarily line up well with the handle, but does line well with the plunge grind situation, which is actually pretty good. All right, got about right there before you develop a smile when sharpening the knife. So that is good. 14C28N, which is everybody's favorite budget steel these days. And of course, we got Omega springs on a crossbar lock style knife. So of course, I got to calibrate for how much throw on the way back I have to give it. There we go. We got thumb start, so thumb start deployment is good. Reverse flick, yes. Can I use the nail? I sure can. All right, check it out right there. Bam. Mid of the middle finger. Can do that as well. So yeah, really good action. This thing is going to be on ball bearings, of course, so that helps, right? Very smooth open and close there. Nice and drop shotty action. Gotta love it. Now, of course, it is ambidextrous friendly, so I can use it with my left hand, even though I have zero dexterity, right, since birth on my left hand. I'm a righty, of course, but if you're a lefty out there, you're gonna be able to use this knife with no issues. And the great news is the pocket clip is reversible, so you'll be able to enjoy the knife as well. Now let's check the ergos. Standard grip here, hammer grip, feels good. Not gonna lie, that pocket clip, all right, it's a good, I want to say 8.5, 9 out of 10. If I squeeze really hard, I do feel it, but that's like squeezing really hard, right? Most scenarios, I feel like it's, pretty decently comfortable. It's reversible. It's nice and very close to the handle as well. And let's see here, if I forward choke, yes, I want to say we do have a forward choke position right here. That's looking pretty epic, so we can do that. Forward choke, use the jimping on the spine of the blade right there to get more control of your cuts. I was calling this thing a drop point, but then I saw like a clip right here at the front. So it's kind of like a reverse tanto clip point, right? You guys give me your best guesses in the comments for this guy, right? Let me know. But yeah, one thing's for sure, we got good action on a, good ergos, forward choke, ambidextrous friendly knife. And I can see this one actually being in the more affordable end of things. So you're going to have it linked down below, just like all the other knives here. Let's do some size comparisons. There's a CMB made Braveman, right? And the Braveman is just a hair longer, just a hair, right? There's no forward choke option on the Braveman. You do get that option here with the Explorer. We got titanium and S35 VN there versus 14C and micarta on this one. And let's go ahead and throw in there the Vosteed Akita as well, a recent drop. check it out here on the channel if you haven't already. So Akita is going to be shorter, and the Braveman is the most comparable, but just a hair longer, not by much. Let's do the typical ones here in the channel. Here's the MSI right there. It's a little bit longer there size-wise. The Stitch, take a look. Stitch is going to be a little bit longer also. Here's your PM2. Right, PM2 is pretty comparable, although the Explorer is just shorter. The Para 3 is a little bit shorter than the Explorer, so again, somewhere in that ballpark between the Para 3 and the PM2. Here's the Demko AD 20.5. It's going to be a little bit shorter there. The Kunwu Chad is just a hair longer. All right, guys, take a look there for yourself. And on the more budget end of things, we got the Tenable Fenrir right there. All right, very comparable size, right, about more or less the same size. And the CJRB Pyrite light is just going to be a hair shorter. And last but not least, there's the Vosteed Corgi right there and the Fintiso Parrot. Those are going to be a little bit shorter as well. I do have content on all these knives, by the way, so if you want to see any overview, unboxing, reviews, and whatnot, just put the knife name Miguel ADC on the YouTube search box, and you'll be able to find those right away. All right, that being said, let's go ahead and get scientific with it here, shall we? Do our very sophisticated cutting test, if you would. And yeah, if you're new to the channel, right, we say that sarcastically because it's a very straightforward test. We've got some paper and some cardboard, and the knife should be able to do that. We're getting some beautiful swirls there, right? Again, 14C, 28N steel. Boom, bam, bada boom. Oh yeah. Oh, absolutely going to slice and dice. No doubt about it. And I got some dual wall piece of cardboard right here. So that should be a little bit more of a challenge as compared to a single wall piece of cardboard. And remember, we're cutting cardboard on cut perpendicular, but at an angle. So here we go. Oh yeah. All right, pretty good. And again, keep in mind, dual wall cardboard is a little bit more challenging than regular single wall cardboard. I try to say that 10 times fast. Single wall cardboard, single wall cardboard, single wall cardboard. Anyways, you guys rate this thing in the comments on a scale from 1 through 10. How sharp is this guy? Rate that factory edge, 10 being the sharpest. All right, you all let me know. Well, there you guys have it. That is the CMB Explorer right here, right? Making a debut in the channel. We have featured many CMB made knives in the channel up to this point. This has got to be one of their best budget offerings by far, right? Really good value proposition right here, no doubt about it. Really digging everything about this knife, to be honest. So, you know, this thing's going right in the pocket as soon as this video is over. I'm not exactly sure on price, but I can see this thing being somewhere in the $60 range. Again, check out the links down below if you want to check prices, availability, and variants. It does help out the channel when you use those links, but that's entirely up to you and at zero extra cost, guys. Let me know your thoughts on this knife, right? What do you like about it? What do you love about it? Is there anything you dislike about it? Thoughts, questions, concerns, feedback about this knife, let me know down below. Let's hang out in the comment section. If you made it to this point in the video, hanging out with me until the end here, I really appreciate every single one of you. Thank you so much. Smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm, and do consider subscribing. I promise you it'll be worth coming back for more. Make knife and AC content like this on a daily basis, and you will not be disappointed. Shout out to CMB for sending this one in for me to share with you guys, and shout out to my Patreon supporters and channel members for supporting what I do here. You guys are awesome. I appreciate each and every single one of you. Check out the CMB made a knife right here, the Braveman to the left, or check out this video YouTube recommends to the right. Thank you all so much for your love and support. Take care, and I'll see you on the next video, either this one or this one. Peace.